just finished the first layer of painting, so I thought I'd do a run through so you can see what's happening. The colours are bleeding together. Oh, there's a bit going on there. Can you see that colour bleeding in, the brown? And happening a bit over there as well. That's going to change things. That's the trouble with painting. If I put too much on, the colours bleed into one another. And whilst I might want that to happen, it's not always a good thing. So all the paint's wet, very wet at the moment. That's coming up nicely. We shall see how it all turns out when it's finished. So I'm just going to go back a bit so you can see the whole thing. So I'm going to leave that to dry now, and then I'm on to the next phase.